let the plate A and plate B are separated by a distance d here, and this is called the permittivity. Epsilon is called the permittivity of the material. Okay, and so this is distance separated by distance d, and now I am applying 5 volts battery. The best example for the capacitor, how the battery is stores the energy that is there in our phone. Okay, so what is the process? You can see, whenever the source is present here, the electron, one electron is removed from the first plate, loses one electron, and through the battery, see here how it is formed through the battery. So it will loses one electron, means it attains a positive charge, and it gains one electron, means it attains a negative charge. Let us assume it is 1 volt. Okay, and similarly this process is continuous. One more electron is removed and accumulated on the second place. It attains a positive and it attains a negative. Let us say this is 2 volts. And one more electron, let us say it is 2.5 volts now. Okay, while phone is charging, your mobile phone is charging, and the charge to 50%. How much it is charged now? 2.5 by 5, that should be equal to 50%. 0.5 into 100 is 50%. Suddenly you got a call and you pick that phone. Okay, so what is your charging now? 50% only 5 seconds you talk with phone and with someone with the help of your phone, and suddenly you cut the call, and again replug the charger, so it will slowly charges from, tell me, 50% to 100% or not? Yes or no? It will not directly goes to 100%. It will slowly charges from 0 to 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, like that. So directly it will not go to 100%. It will slowly charges. This charge formation is directly proportional to V here, and where Q is equal to CV. We can call it as a C is a capacitance of capacitor. Capacitance of capacitor. Okay, so what is the electric current formula? dq by dt. D by dt of CV. C is a constant. dV by dt. This is the first property of a capacitor. Capacitor does not allow the sudden changes of the voltages. What is the voltage, right? So it is charged to 2.5, or directly you are giving the 5 volts to the mobile phone and through the charger, but it is not directly going to 100%. So it will slowly charges. It does not allow this. Suddenly, see here, 50% is charged. Again you replug the charger. It is not directly goes to 5 volts. Okay, so capacitor does not allow the this is the first property, does not allow the sudden changes of this is very, very important, sudden changes of the voltages. Okay, and from this you can I by CV, C is equal to dV by dt, and V is equal to 1 by C integration of I dt. This is the second one. Power is equal to, it is a product of voltage into current, CV dV by dt, and this is the third one. And energy is equal to integration of power dt. So CV dV by dt into dt will be cancelled, half CV square. Okay, integration of x dx. Integration of x dx is x square by 2. Integration of v dv is v square by 2. Energy stored in an inductor is half Li square. Energy stored in a capacitor is half CV square. Okay, so this is a property of a capacitor, and the capacitor stores the energy. I think charge formation, right? Capacitor stores the energy in the form of electric field, so this is about the passive elements.